Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese and GBP USD. So in this video I'll be sharing my recommendation of stocks for 10th March 2021. Okay, so this analysis is for 10th March 2021 only. I'll be coming back tomorrow again with tomorrow's analysis. Okay, so the first stock for the day is Coca-Cola, and you can see that the last traded price of Coca-Cola was 50.86, and we can see that Coca-Cola has just closed above the daily support level, okay, which was at 15.84. It has respected the daily support level available and closed just above it. So just by looking at the size of the candle and day before yesterday's price rejection from above, there is a high probability that today also Coca-Cola may see some good selling pressure. So if you spot any good selling pressure on the stock of Coca-Cola, you can short the stock below 50.80 level. So this is the level that you need to look for on Coca-Cola. If you get the stock below 50.80 level, okay, then it's a short call for Coca-Cola. In case Coca-Cola opens below 50.80 level, then just wait for 15-30 minutes. Okay, just see how the stock is trading. If you see that okay, the selling pressure is still present, then you can short the stock. In case the stock opens above 50.80 level, okay, then just wait for the stock to cross this line. So the next stock for the day is Microsoft. Sorry, Mastercard. Extreme sorry. For Mastercard, you can see that there is a resistance on the daily chart at 378.5 level. Day before yesterday, also it tried to cross. It tried to cross, but it failed. Yesterday also, after opening here, it went up. Okay, it it gave a fight to cross the daily resistance, and it failed again. So we may see some selling pressure on the stock today. So what should be our strategy for the day? Okay, we can short the stock below 376.1 level. So if you get the stock below 376.1 level, you can short the stock. And again, this level is also very important for us. This level of wait, this level 370 78. So we because this thing is very clear to us right now that there is a heavy selling pressure in this price range. So today if we see that Mastercard goes up again, if we spot some good selling pressure or price rejection from above in this range 378 379 range, okay, so when the stock will be reaching 378 379, and if you spot some good selling pressure or price rejection from above, you can short the stock again. Okay, and you can also short the stock below this line 372 level. Okay, these two are the levels. So this is the safe level, and this is the level if you are an aggressive kind of a trader. Okay. So the next stock for the day is Pfizer. The last traded price of Pfizer is 34.45, and you can see that day before yesterday also it has made a shooting star kind of a pattern or inverted hammer. Yesterday also it has made a inverted hammer. Okay, and this price rejection yesterday and day before yesterday, it suggests that there is a selling pressure, or there is someone who is not allowing the market to cross this line. So what should be a strategy for Pfizer? Our strategy for Pfizer is simple for today. Okay. If we get the stock below 34.3 level, and if we see that okay, there is some selling pressure on the stock, you can sell it. Okay. Short fiber below 34.3 level. and in case the stock opens here, okay, above 34.3, then do not short. Okay, let the stock cross this level. So if you spot some selling pressure, okay, and if you see that the stock is trading below this line, okay, wait for 15-30 minutes. Okay, let the stock feel comfortable below this line, let the support become the resistance, then only short the stock below 34.3 level. So the next stock for the day is AMG. So the last traded price of the stock is 137.51, and you can see that there is a support available at 133. Okay, 133.09 level. So the strategy for the stock is very simple. If you get the stock below 137.51 level, just short the stock. Okay, and your target will be 133.50. Okay, 35. The support is available at 35. Okay, so come out by 133.5. Okay. So these are the four stocks that you can trade, or you need to keep your eyes for profit on 10th March 2021. So if you liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Please do subscribe because I bring videos just before the market opens so that you get to stay ahead of the market. Thank you so much. And sorry for not having a professional setup. I do not get time to edit my videos, so I'm extremely sorry. I do apologize. I even do not replay my videos. I just simply record the videos and just upload it. Okay. So my bad. I am extremely sorry, but sorry. And please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.